Brenda, what brings you to my house?
Tell me, I don't know the reason I am here.
Should I tell you something? You are the least person I expected to see in my house anymore.
Desmond, what use is a tail to a cow if the tail is cut off?
What does that mean?
Figure it out yourself. But I must warn you, stay away from my family!
You know what? Brenda, I left you for God to judge you. I have more important things to do than this nonsense you're here to say.
Desmond, swear that you have no hand in my childlessness. Swear!
You know what? I think he has already started judging you. Can you just leave my house? Can you just leave?
Do you have a house?
Can you just leave?
Do you have a house? I won't warn you again.
Now you live in fear, running from here to there, because you are not sure of yourself anymore. Hey, you're afraid of the consequences of your actions. Don't forget that what you do today, you will pay for someday. It's just a matter of time. Oh, you will pay. You will pay. What did she do to you? Abugini, come meregi, for you to treat her this.
I promise I am going to be there. Okay, I will be on my way soon. Trust me.
Surprise, surprise. Barrister Juliet.
I will call you back. Wow. Mrs. Brenda Murphy. Good to see you.
Why do I sense jealousy in those words of yours?
Jealousy. Jealous of who, if I may ask?
Jealous that I am Murphy's wife. That I got married to the handsome Murphy. While the barrister is still single.
Well, Mrs. Murphy, if this is the reason why you're here, I suggest you leave because I have a court to attend in no time.
Not so fast. Now listen up. I am here to warn you to undo whatsoever you did against my husband and I.
What is wrong with you, Brenda? I am not your problem. I thought you said you wanted a Yankee husband and God answered your prayers. By the way, what are you still doing in Nigeria?
This will be the very first and last I would come here to warn you. Release my children that you've caged in your witchcraft coven. Else, I will release Holy Ghost fire on you.
Leave, Brenda.
You need not to ask me to go. I'll be on my way. But do not make me come back. Don't.
Now you live in fear, running from here to there, because you are not sure of yourself anymore. Hey, you're afraid of the consequences of your actions. Don't forget that what you do today.
Madam, honestly, I'm very excited for this opportunity. And I also want you to tell your boss that I'm grateful. And he should let me know when it is time for me to sign the contract.
No problem.
And one more thing, you know that...
Oh! Really?
What are you doing here?
So she's the one? She is the one, right? I told you I was going to catch you.
Can you stop embarrassing?
I told you I would catch you red-handed. You thought I was kidding. Brenda. So you have been the one frolicking round town with my husband. I beg your pardon. You didn't know he's a married man? You beg my pardon. You beg... Hey, stop that!
Wait, listen, no, wait. Baby, stop! Can you go to the car lot? Can you leave, please? Please leave. I'll meet you outside. What's wrong with you?
Husband snatcher! Leave me alone.
Brenda! Have you lost your mind? Brenda! Madam!
I'm just wondering why she would barge into my house like that, just to accuse me of something I didn't do. You better go and sort yourself out, honestly. You better sort yourself out. Just sort yourself out. You better go and sort out yourself. Just stop disturbing my life.
Baby, I am so happy. I am so excited. I'm going to be a father of 2 children in just one shot.
I can't wait to put to bed so I can be as free as the bed.
Is that your own concern?
Yes, now. You think it's easy to carry a human being for 9 good months? 9 months of discomfort and all the stress that comes with pregnancy.
I celebrate every pregnant woman. Thumbs up to every pregnant woman in the whole wide world.
Don't forget also be the expectant mother, so.
How can I forget that my beautiful wife is an expectant mother? Come on. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Let me call my friend.
You mean Desmond?
Who else? Do I have any other friend? You see, that guy is a big boy now. A big shot. Big contractor. He wins contract everywhere. In fact, the guy just a cash out anyhow.
And he's going to be my twins' godfather.
How do you know? Are you reading my mind?
I know.
It's ringing.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, my guy. How are you doing now?
I'm good. How are you? How's your wife?
She's doing great. She's in here with
Good
me.
afternoon.
Oh, nice to know that. Nice to know that.
Yeah, Desmond, we went to the hospital. Scan confirmed that my wife is carrying twin boys.
Wow! Wow, this is good news. Are you serious?
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Oh, is that your wife? Our wife. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Congratulations.
I just want to beg you that you will be my children's godfather.
Yeah, godfather. Why not? Why not? I'm so excited, honestly. Yes, I'll definitely be their godfather. Huh?
Okay, thank you, my children's godfather.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello, Des. Where are you now?
I came out. I want to see 1 or 2 persons.
It's okay. When you're ready, just give me a call.
Yes. Okay, baby, when I'm done, I'll call you, okay? It's all right.
Alright, have a nice day. So baby.
Yeah, baby.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're good? Have you taken something?
Yes, I have. I'm okay.
Alright. So don't worry. I'm just going through some stories in this magazine. I'll join you up.
Alright, okay. Have fun.
Alright, sure.
This is good. Harold. Wow.
My soul. This world now, wow. You don't really know who is who. You don't know who is for you or against you. I'm under the one you trust so much may be the one to hurt you, child. The one who's close to you may be the one to betray you. This world now, wow, this world now, wow, child. I'm under Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived. Oh, Mugogio, you have been deceived. Before you jump into conclusion, before you take a decision or action, investigate. Investigate. Hey, before you make a mistake, try a mistake that you regret, because nobody knows who is who. Who is for you or against you? The one you trust so much may be the one to hurt you. The one that is close to you may be the one to betray you. Mr. Man, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Shine. There's more to it than meets the eyes.
Aggie.
What you gonna give me to market? You waste time now. What's happened?
I tell you, sir, I get one sister I could give you now. Go inside.
Now? Oh, yeah, go keep it till you carry come for market for kitchen now. You do in the kitchen.
For waiting now. Go inside. I want first. Now when I go inside, you say I don't come back. Or for now.
The outside. Aggie, you see this thing here? You get sense. For this way you talk, your leg don't go touch the ground again. I go carry you, my city of David. Sorry, stand up. Stand up, listen to me. Sorry. No, I'll carry you. No. I will carry you now. Umba, carry it. Oh, yeah. Umba. No!
Hey, don't.
So, Desmond, how are you?
I'm not fine, as you can see. Yeah.
You're not good.
Yes.
I see. You were saying something over the phone. What was that?
Yeah, you said you were in the court then.
Yeah, I was. But I'm here now. So tell me, did anything happen?
That stupid girl came to my place, Brenda. She was threatening fire and brimstone that I should undo whatever I did against her and her so-called husband.
Oh.
Can you just imagine that?
Oh my.
Wait, why are you laughing? Like,
Because this is...
Is it funny?
It's funny to me. Yes, because Brenda actually blocked me on my way to this place. She was saying all sorts of rubbish. She said, she even called me a witch, telling me to undo what I did to her so she can give birth to her children. She was even trying to, rain down the Holy Ghost fire on me. Like, it was so dramatic.
Brenda?
I'm telling you.
Like, seriously? You're not kidding? Are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
Oh my God, that girl is shameless.
Brenda came to you.
She is shameless as anything I can think of. So she had the guts to come to me and also come to you. Can you just imagine that?
You know what, Desmond? Just forget about Brenda and her frustration.
Who is still talking about Brenda? Anyway, she's bygone. But can you imagine how time flies? Just look at you. Juliet, that was just in that university that year.
Are you for real?
Now a legal practitioner. Oh my God. This girl, you're wonderful.
You're beginning to bust my head.
Juliet.
To God be the glory.
Hey, baby, not today. Wagawa. Okay, Wallum. Aga. Agarita.
You keep staring at me out of proportion.
Yeah. Suddenly the feelings I have for you is growing every passing day. Juliet, please, I want to be that man that will grow old with you. Each night I close my eyes. All I see is you stretching forth your hands. Yes, I don't know the meaning of that, but I know that I love you. I love you deeply. Please, can you accept this love of mine?
I've guided my heart with so much jealousy ever since my last heartbreak. I am scared to death. I knew what it felt like. I was broken. I was shattered. It was as if the world was crumbling on me.
Your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place.
God, what did I do? What did I do to deserve this?
Because you want to take
Don't I deserve to be happy? Don't
you
I?
put her in shame and disgrace. For you it's just a race. Hey,
why must it be those moments when I thought I have found love?
Now that
Why would you take away the joy that you gave to me? Why?
Do you think it will
What did I do?
Because the truth has a way of coming out at last. Hey, what did she do to you? A bogini come mereki. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day you'll pay. What did she do to you? A bogini For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day you will pay. Now that you've achieved your aim, what is really your gain? After you have put her through pain and shame, oh, what a shame. Now you live in fear, running from here to
Am I not
there.
supposed to be happy? Am I not
Because you are
supposed to
not
be
sure of
happy?
yourself
Am I not
anymore.
supposed
Hey, you're afraid of the consequences of your actions. Don't forget that what you do today.
I was at the verge of losing my mind until my call-up letter came from NYSC. So I left Asaba for my service in Yola. After my service, I left to Lagos for law school. At the completion of my law school, I was called to bar and here I am. Desmond, for 3 years, 3 years I refused to give my heart to any man because I do not want the ugly experience I had before repeating itself.
I understand. Listen, I will not hurt you. Hurting you is hurting myself. I understand how you feel. You know it happened to me. Okay. I wallowed in self-pity. It's okay, please. It's okay. People mocked me. They laughed at me. Apart from Harold, every other person called me a fool. I know what it feels like. We were betrayed by those we once loved. But it's fine. Here we are again. We shouldn't let this be the end of us. Let's try love once again. If not for Harold, maybe I won't be here by now. Because he never left my side for once. Harold left his family house, joined me, stayed with me, because he knew I was going to take my life. Can we try this again? I beseech you. I love you. I love you.
Hello?
Mr. Murphy, I am going to arrest your wife for assault.
Madam, please, I'm sorry. I apologize on her behalf, please.
Please stop this, Mr. Murphy. What kind of wife is she? Is she the only one that is married?
I'm very, very sorry, Ma. I promise you it will never repeat itself again.
Of course, of course. We are withdrawing whatever deal we have with your company. You know what? I already called Mr. Wilberforce. Do not call our company again.
No, Ma. Please, I'm so sorry. Don't do this to me. I need this contract, please. Please, Ma. Please, Ma.
Mr. Murphy, if this is the kind of wife you are married to, I am sorry to tell you, your marriage is heading to doom. Please, I got to go. Thank you.
Hello? Hello, Ma. Brenda? What the hell came over you?
Stop shouting.
Shouting? Did you say I'm shouting?
I have a headache. Please.
Brenda, I just lost a contract worth over 100 million. Because of your stupidity. Because of your madness.
What contract?
That woman you fought. That woman you embarrassed is a representative of Fox Agency. Yes, the same company I told you I've been chasing for over 3 months.
Didn't know? Well, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You have done your worst. What else can you do? This marriage is over.
You are calling it quits
Yes.
because of this singular act.
Yes, I am done.
Yeah! Story for the gods. Story, story, story.
You have been deceived. Oh, Bugogio, you have been deceived. Before you jump into conclusion, before you take a decision or action, investigate.
What kind of woman is this? Look at what I brought upon myself. Harold warned me. My parents did too. Desmond warned me. He did. He asked me to stay away from his wife, to be. But I felt I could intimidate him with my wealth. I snatched his wife from him. Now, I'm to pay for what I did to a fellow man like me. I don't have peace. I don't have peace since I married Brenda. Karma has caught up with me. I can't continue. This is where I draw the line.
Wetin been happen for house yesterday night?
No, madam.
Wetin happen? Wetin happen?
I dey kitchen. Jeje dey cook my food. I hear everything constant.
Now they ask you, wetin go happen?
Oga say Oga madam make am lose 100 million by.
Hey, you mean Ila? How? How come?
Oga talk say Oga madam come in office. We can't see one auntie. He can't give a slap. It buy.
Hey.
Every day end though. This has to give a hot slap. The auntie can't change clothes. Takai.
Hey. Ishi. Yeah.
Now Oga talk say you know one marry again. Say make Oga madam carry him they go in papa house. Say marriage don't finish.
He rich now. We pay 100 million naira. He reached to council marriage Obiko.
He say I say everything don't shake reach that side. Say make him carry him they go in papa house. Say you know they marry again. So everything don't happen. Say make him they go. Say you know one marry again.
Hey, Oga madam. So, hey. Nah, that's so it is. That's so it don't be. Hey, I don't think say now you did a bit for me. I'm going to say don't be.
Make I go cook
Go cook. They fight. Can you silly? They fight. I need silly.
Get out of my house! Get out!
You shouldn't be here in the first place.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know she was
You have
Leave my house! Leave my house!
Please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I am tired of your stupidity. I am tired of your bad behavior. Get out!
Please, I never knew she was your business associate.
Oh, really? You never knew? Listen to me. What's the point of this marriage? Huh? What's the point getting married to you if you can't trust me? Just get out.
Please don't do this to us. Please, my love, please.
Oh, please. There's no us. The last time I checked, there's no us. Yes. Get out!
I'm so sorry, please. If you throw me to the wood, my enemies will laugh out the living daylight out of me.
I am tired of lying to my parents. I can't keep doing that. Get out. I'm going to throw you out.
I love you.
What?
I love you with my life.
You love me with your life?
Yes.
No, that's not true. You love the fact that I just got in from Canada. The fact that I'm rich, right?
No!
Huh?
No! I love you with my life. Please.
Get out. Jonathan!
Now that you've achieved your aim, what is
Take these bags out of here.
My husband, please.
After you have put her through pain and shame.
If I slap you,
What a shame.
don't touch me again.
My love.
Now you live in fear,
Please.
running from here to there.
Please.
Because you are not sure of yourself anymore.
Please. Honey.
You're afraid
My
of
love.
the
Madam.
My love.
Madam.
My love.
You don't do. It is gone. It is gone. It's big. Oh, more than no sacrifice.
It's just a matter of time.
Madam, be gone.
What did she do?
It's gone. Oh, good luck.
Is it me? Are you mad?
Madam, you can't go abeg. Madam, can't they go? Biko, oh.
Honey. My love.
One day you'll pay. What did she do to you? What did she do to you? For you to treat her this way. Don't forget that one day you pay. You will pay for your actions, so
Big
you
heart.
will pay.
That's you.
The repercussions of your actions will come someday.
Bring that slipper here. Bring it here. Hey! So that you can beg him for me. Go and beg him.
Okay, yeah, I will beg him. I will beg him. Go. I will go inside and beg him. I will talk to him. Man, man with man, we will talk. Oh?
Who's the one that's man? My husband is a man.
Oh, hey, madam.
You look like my husband. Tell me to go and beg him. Beg him that I am sorry. Tell him that I will not do it again. That I will not do it again. Just stop begging now. Go and beg him.
I will beg him.
Let's go together.
Pogodi.
Let's go.
Biko, Pogodi, come on. Biko, come on.
Hey!
Stand. Biko,
my love.
What are you doing? Eh? Madam, you laugh at that. No more. Oga, I sent her away. Oh, bye.
My love.
It is gone.
My love.
Oga, I sent her away, sir. Hey, Chupaju, no.
You want to go with her?
God forbid.
You want to go with her?
No, sir. She said I should beg him. Say, no, he beg again. I said, God forbid, though. I can't beg. It has happened.
My friend, speak English.
What? I said, it is well. Can I go inside, sir?
What is the problem? What happened? Brenda, calm down and talk to me. Brenda! Come talk to me. Tell me everything that happened. Sit. Sit here. Sit! What is it? What happened? Tell me what happened, and as it happened. Can't you talk again? Pull yourself together and tell me what happened.
My husband threw me out because I went to his office and saw him chatting and laughing heartily with another woman.
He has not answered anything. Because you saw him laughing heartily with another woman. Was the reason he threw you out of the house? So tell me what happened.
I started fighting the lady. I slapped her.
What? No, I didn't hear you. Brenda, you saw a woman in your husband's office, probably a client. And all could have come to your mind was to start fighting the client. Who taught you that?
I didn't know. I didn't know she was a client because of the way they were chatting and
laughing. Probably they should have been crying and discussing the business. You would have felt better like that. Really? Okay, what do you want me to do for you now?
Please. I want you to beg my husband on my behalf, please.
Oh.
It won't happen again.
You want to use me to clean up your mess? You goofed and you want to use me comfortably. I don't think I am cut out for that.
Please. I didn't know what came over me. This will not happen again. I will do it again.
You know you went overboard, right? So clean it up yourself. Make amends yourself. Young ladies of these days, you don't know how to manage your husbands and your homes. Now you're crying.
Bros, I don't get this. I don't get it one bit. You mean Brenda embarrassed someone in your office?
Yes. She embarrassed me right in front of my client.
What was wrong with Brenda?
Maybe you should ask her.
She's in the house.
She's where? She's in our house? What the hell is she doing there?
That is what Dad, Mom, my wife and myself saw this morning in the house.
Listen, she should go to her parents. She shouldn't come to mine. You know what? I don't even care. I don't care.
Bros, you see, I blame you in all of this. I want you to stay clear of another man's wife. But no. People claim he's in love.
She staged everything. She put up all of this drama to deceive me. Now she makes me sick. She keeps accusing me of cheating every time. Dad, you sent for me. You said it was urgent.
Oh yes, I did. Murphy.
Yeah.
It's been 3 days since your wife came to us. Up till now, we've not seen nor heard from you. Why?
Dad, I honestly didn't know she was here. I asked her to leave my house. I asked her to go back to her parents. Till I was done.
She told us what she did that prompted your kicking her out of your house.
Oh, she did?
Yes, of course she did.
Dad, I'm tired. Since I married her, it's been a lot of trouble. She lied about herself. She lied about everything. She even lied about getting pregnant. Yes, she lied about being pregnant.
Brenda lied to you that she was pregnant?
Look, she told us that she lost the pregnancy.
Said that to you? Well, that's a lie. She told me she was never pregnant.
Murphy. I married you because it has been my desire to marry a Yankee guy.
And what does that mean?
You did not tell me you came back to settle in this country.
I'm still trying to understand where you're going with this.
I thought we'll be leaving to, Canada immediately after our wedding. What are we still doing here?
I beg your pardon?
See, some people have already started laughing at me that I am yet to travel back to Canada with my husband.
Some people?
Yes.
Brenda, you've been so dramatic all your life. I know that.
I knew you were going to say this. Any small thing, my husband will say I'm being dramatic.
No, tell me, when did I promise to travel with you? When did I mention I'll take you to Canada? When? I can't remember.
But I thought you were going to take us back to Canada where you schooled.
Listen, before you came, I was doing something very important. Alright? Can I just focus?
See, I want to base abroad. Just take me to Canada. Murphy.
Yeah.
Murphy. Listen. If you do not take me out of this country to overseas,
yeah,
I swear, you will not have a moment of peace in this house. Bet me.
Do you even know what a passport looks like?
I don't blame you. What I know is, take me to Canada. Take me there. I am a Canadian girl. Take me to Canada.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace.
Dad, she's caused me a lot of pain. And I am tired. I want a divorce.
Yay. There is nothing Teresa will not hear. Brenda wants to kill you for me? Ha! That girl is such a bad wife.
She caused me a lot of pain. She wants to kill me before my... Mom, do you know this girl accused me of sleeping with my own maid? She thinks I'm having an affair with my maid.
You know, Harold says something like that. But I never wanted to believe him.
Mom,
Hey.
I'm done. I want a divorce.
Me, I believe he's better. Now that they're still alive. Life first.
Like, seriously?
Yes! Can't you see the kind of stress he's going through already?
Murphy.
Yeah.
In as much as I blame her for everything that happened, I can never and will never subscribe to divorce. Is that understood?
Your mom called me today. She said Amara went into labor. Harold took her to the hospital. She's expecting twins. Babe, I'm talking to you.
What would you have me say?
Hello? Hey, Harold, what's up?
She has delivered.
Oh, really? Oh, great. My regards to her.
Thank you, bros.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Talk to you later. Great. Amara just put to bed. She had twins. Babe, are you okay? It's barely 1 year my brother got married.
Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived. Oh, Wugogio, you have been deceived. Before you jump into conclusion.
So, Mr. Murphy, how is business going?
Business is good. Business is doing well. I can't complain. I must say a big thank you to your company and also to your boss for endorsing the contract. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So how's your boss?
It is good. It's fine.
Great.
So, how is your wife?
My wife is fine. I was going to say I apologize once again for that slight mistake that happened the other time. So I promise you to never happen again.
It's fine. It's okay.
And once again, thank you for accepting to partner with me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Oh, Brenda, what's wrong with you? Ah, stop now. What is it again? Come to where? You like sex too much. What's wrong with you? Is this food?
Hey, it was just 2 rounds, so.
2 rounds, and that's not enough?
No. Oh, more.
Please, I don't have strength. What's wrong with you? You're a young girl. Stop acting like you're wild.
You're a young man. You should be energetic. I want you to kill me in bed.
Me kill you? God forbid, I can't kill you. What's wrong with you?
Baby. This should be your biggest flex. Making me see that you can scatter me in
I
bed.
can't scatter you. Stop saying that. You're making me scared. What do you mean? We just had sex 2 hours ago and you want more. What's wrong with you?
Baby, don't be a weakling now. Real men do these things. Baby, show me your manpower.
I should show you my manpower.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't have any manpower. What's wrong with you? Listen, tomorrow is work. You should get some rest so you can go to work tomorrow.
My child, I will wake up. See, when you finish with me for maybe another 2 rounds, I will sleep well and wake up strong.
Listen, I'm going downstairs to watch my wrestling match. And after that, I'll come and sleep. Tomorrow, I'll go to work. I won't be the one to kill you, please.
Baby, wrestling. Other times football. Baby, come on now. Show me yourself. Show me what you're made of.
I should show you what I'm made of.
Yes, baby.
Please.
You're running away.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced.
Madam, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Take this money. Go to the market and buy toothbrush, toothpaste, detergent, and anything else you think I'll be needing in the house.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, detergent, okay. Madam, who go come they forget?
Don't worry. I would handle it. Just go and come back. I'm here.
That this thing be? Why madam go send me market? Say she go come they forget.
Jonathan! Jonathan! Jonathan!
Just go. He went to the market. Just go.
Jonathan go market. How Jonathan go leave gate, come out, go market? Nah, security be now. You not supposed to come out for gate.
Just shut up and go.
Madam, if Oga come back, tell am say I don't travel go village.